Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel. Let's learn science. In our today's session, we'll try to learn a lesson from class 8 science, that is the first lesson given in your NCERT textbook. Crop production and management. Crop production and management. From the name itself, what we come to know that in this lesson we'll try to learn about, or the opportunity will get in this lesson to learn is that all about crop, how crop are produced, then how they are managed, and we also try our level best to cover this topic in this session, that is crop, agricultural practices, then basic practices of crop production. So let us see what is crop. This one already known to you. Instead of that also, if I give you the definition, then it will help you to recall the meaning of crop. Crop means plants of same kind grown at one place. That is, when crops of same kind are grown at one place, that crops is called, that plant is called crop. Understood? Next, let us see the second topic, agricultural practices. Agricultural practices means how does agriculture has been done. In our country, there is diversity in each and every aspect. In the same way, there is also diversity in the field of climatic condition. Everywhere same amount of rainfall doesn't used to occur. Everywhere same amount of humidity is not found. Everywhere the temperature is not uniform. That's why in different parts of the country, different types of crops have been grown. Despite of having diversity, crop has been categorized into broad categories. There is Kharif crop and Rabi crop. Kharif crops are the crops that are grown during the rainy season, from June to September. That means the crop that is grown from the month of June to September, that crops are termed as Kharif crops. Second one is Rabi crops. Rabi crops are grown during the winter season, and it is grown from the month of October to March. Some of the example of both types of crops are I have given you here. Okay, Kharif crops are paddy, maize, cotton, etc. Then Rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, mustard, etc. Besides this example also, you will get a lot of example given in your book. Let us proceed to the next topic, that is what basic practices of crop production. Basic practices of crop production means what are the different activities or what are the different steps involved in the production of crop. You might be thinking that practices of crop production is somewhat very difficult. No, it is similar to that of the gardening in the house. Right. Let us see what are the practices involved over here. And another thing, you should remember that basic practices of crop production are also termed as agricultural practices. So in the exam, it may ask, okay, name the agricultural practices. Then you have to write all those steps which come under the agricultural practices. So now let us learn what are the agricultural practices. First one is preparation of soil. Second one is sowing of seeds. Third one is adding manure and fertilizers. Fourth one is irrigation. Fifth one is protecting from weeds. And sixth one is harvesting and last one is storage. So these are the 7 agricultural practices that involve in the process of agriculture. Now let me give you the simple meaning of each and every agricultural practices. First one, preparation of soil means that before going to cultivate the crops, it is very important to prepare the soil. Preparation of soil means here, loosen of soil particle. Sowing of seed means scattering of seed at appropriate distance in the agricultural field. Third one, adding manure and fertilizers. Manure means the substances which are produced from the organic material which are rich in nutrients required for plants, that are termed as manure. And fertilizers means the inorganic substances that is produced in the factory which are rich in a particular type of nutrients for plants. So when there is lack of nutrients and when soil become infertile, at that time the farmers is used to add the manure and fertilizer in the agricultural field for the high production of the agricultural crop. Fourth one is irrigation. If there is lack of water or if there is deficiency of water or there is requirement of water, then the farmers is to give water in the agricultural field, that is termed as irrigation. Fifth one is protecting from weeds. Protecting from weeds. Sometimes what happens, along with the agricultural crop, some unwanted plant is used to grow. That is not required. Unnecessary unwanted plant is to grow along with the crops. So that unwanted plants must be removed from the agricultural field, that is protecting from weeds. Then sixth one is harvesting. When the crop become mature, okay, then the farmer have to be cut down the harvested matured crop, that is called harvesting. Simply the meaning of harvesting means cutting of crops. Next one is storage. When they will bring that one in the house, after that, okay, they used to store that one for the further use. And if they produce excess amount of crop, then they used to sell it into the market, and remaining part which are needed for them, they used to store that one in their granary. Okay, this is the just simple meaning I have given you about the basic practices of crop production or agricultural practices. Okay, in my later class, I will try to discuss in detail about each and every agricultural practices in detail. Thank you.